Hey everyone. Uh, if your data isn't passing between nodes in n8n, don't worry. This guide will walk you through how to fix it step by step. So let's get started. First, check that your nodes are properly connected. If there's no connection line between them, data simply won't flow to the next node, so make sure everything is linked correctly. Next, click on the previous node and check its output data. Make sure it's actually returning the data you expect. If there's no output, the next node won't receive anything. Now check how data is being passed into the next node. Make sure your fields are mapped correctly using expressions or variables. A small mistake here can stop data from being transferred properly. Sometimes the issue is using the wrong data path. Double check your JSON path or variable references to ensure they match the structure of the output data. After that, try running the workflow step by step. This helps you see exactly where the data stops passing and makes it easier to identify the problem. Also check if there are any filters or conditions. If a condition fails, the next node may not receive any data at all. And yeah, that's it. That's how you fix data not passing between nodes in n8n and get your workflows running smoothly again. Around 1,900 characters